Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cute little Easter stand using recycled items and things I had stashed away in my craft supplies. The items you will need are thin jute rope, 2 metal soup can lids, spray paint, a cardboard tube, and a glass jar. This is a pickle jar that I just couldn't throw away. I really liked the design and texture of the jar and thought it would be perfect for a craft just like this one. You will also need a hot glue gun and a ceramic bunny painting kit. Now, I did purchase this last year, however, I have seen them in the store this year as well. And I painted my bunny white using chalk paint and sealer. When all supplies have been gathered, the first thing you want to do is spray paint your soup can lids. I did mine in a satin sea glass, but you can make it any color that you want. While those are drying, wrap the jute rope around your cardboard tube. Use hot glue every so often to make sure it stays in place. If you don't want to use jute, you could wrap it in material or anything else that tickles your fancy. My lids have dried, and now I want to add some splashes of white. I only want a light dusting, so once I have paint on my brush, I'm going to pounce most of it off onto a paper towel. Then gently I'm going to pounce the rest of it onto the lid. Once everything is dry, go ahead and hot glue the 2 lids to either end of your tube. Now I'm going to turn my attention back to my jar. And to snazz it up a bit, I'm going to add a jute rope bow and these cute little carrots. I found these in the Dollar Tree last year, and I have seen them again this year as well. To make them pop, I'm going to add some jute rope. To add the rope, what I'm going to do is spread the orange yarn that's already on the carrots and wrap the jute around in those spaces. Ta-da! I also added a loop so I could attach it to my jar. I've added my finished carrot to my jar, and I also made a homemade tag, which reads, Bunny Treats. I used stickers to add the words, but if you'd like, you could always freehand it. So I'm going to add raffata to the inside of my jar. And I am not going to add carrots in there. And here's why. Because my bunny ate all of its treats before I got the jar lid done. As you just saw, I've already attached my bunny to the top of the lid. I used hot glue as well as E6000 for a permanent hold. I also put 3 rounds of thin jute rope around the lid rim, and I'm ready to finish adding my pearls. Now that everything has been decorated, it's time to put the 3 pieces together. First, I'm going to add some hot glue to the top lid of my stand and set the jar in place. Time to put the top on, but still, no treats are going in the jar. Here's the finished product. And this is a second variation using the same construction methods. However, this one was made from a recycled candlestick holder and a jar that were both rescued from the trash. And on this one, I put my bunny inside. Yes, I do like white rabbits. And that's probably because when we raised them, we raised New Zealand whites, which were, well, white and super cute. But these bunnies would also be cute spotted or different colors. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you decide to make this craft, let me know down in the comments, and I hope that you will like and subscribe down below, and have a blessed Easter.